Hello student, today I'll tell you something about laws of exponent. There are few laws of exponent like this. Laws of exponent. First law, that is a product law. Like if base are equal, a to the power m and a to the power n. If base are equal, in first law of exponent, that is a product law, power will be added. Bases here, both the base are equal and power is m and n. So a is to the power m plus n. If it is in multiply, so power will add it. And second law, for example, like 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 4, base are equal, so you'll have to add the powers. 3 plus 4, 2 to the power 7. Same way, second law, that is a quotient law. Okay, same thing here also. If base are equal, here a to the power m and a to the power n. So if base are equal, then you'll have to subtract the powers, a to the power m minus n. For example, 3 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 2. Then you'll have to write 3 to the power 5 minus 2. That goes in numerator and you'll have to subtract this 3 to the power 3. Next law, that is a power law. That means if a to the power m to the whole power n, that means these two are in multiply, power to the power. So you'll have to multiply a to the power m into n. For example, 2 to the power 2 to the whole power 3. So you'll have to write 2 to the power 2 into 3, that is 2 to the power 6. Okay. Now more about indices, some other properties of indices. Like if it is given a into b to the whole power m, so if you write individually, so you can write like this: a to the power n into b to the power m. Here it is a multiply, these two are in multiply. Okay, for example, 2 into 3 to the power 2, so you'll have to write 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2, then you can simplify. Okay, same way, a upon b to the power m, so whole power m. So if you individually, you'll have to write, so in numerator, a to the power n and b to the power m. For example, like this: 2 upon 3 to the power of 3, so 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. Something to the power 0 is always 1. Something to the power 0 is always 1. It can be 5, it can be 10, it can be any number except 0. 0 to the power 0 is indeterminate form, that you will study in higher classes. Okay, so something to the power 0 except 0 is always 1. It can be 100, it can be 1000, it can be 1 lakh. To the power 0 is always 1. Negative index, that means if it is given a to the power minus m, so if you write down in positive uh, exponent, so you'll have to reciprocal of this 1 upon a to the power m. If it is written like this, a to the power minus m, then reciprocal of this is this. Okay, this is the example of this. Okay, thank you.